In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move and add tabs on a Facebook business page. Start by opening facebook.com in your browser if you are not already there. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page before making any changes. After your business page opens, look near the top of the page for the action bar. This is where you will find several page options and controls. In that area, find the More option and click on it to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, select Manage Sections. This will open the section where you can control which tabs appear on your Facebook business page and how they are organized. Inside the Manage Sections window, take a moment to review the list of available tabs. These are the sections that can be shown on your page. If there are tabs that you want to add, click the checkbox next to each one. Selecting the checkbox will include that tab on your page so visitors can see it. Once you have chosen the tabs you want, you can change their order. In the same Manage Sections window, rearrange the tabs to match the layout you prefer. Place the most important sections where they are easiest to find. This can help make your page easier to navigate for visitors. After you finish adding and moving the tabs, click Save. This will apply the updates to your Facebook business page. Wait a moment for the changes to process. Next, return to your page and check the tab area to confirm that everything was updated correctly. Make sure the tabs you selected now appear on the page and that they are displayed in the order you wanted. If something does not look right, you can go back into Manage Sections and adjust it again. This process is useful when you want to highlight specific information, promote important page features, or simply keep your page organized in a way that works better for your audience. Once you verify that the tabs are showing correctly, your update is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.